This is a 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an 8-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, and roof rails. The following features are also included: heater vents for rear seat passengers, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, a security system, OnStar, an external temperature gauge, and cruise control. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Seekins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1625 Seekins Ford Drive in Fairbanks.